DevStraw feels so much better than the GPT-OSS model, right?
Yep.
And that they are architecturally quite different, particularly in like the attention mechanism. But fundamentally, I think that a huge part of that just comes from the fact that one, you have 120 billion active parameters per token, the other you have 5. And it is we've deployed both to customers like last year, and the difference was night and day in terms of how it felt and what they got out of the coding agent when they were running it.
Oh, interesting. Yeah. Because on the other stuff, so, you were talking about like the data, the pre-training, the algorithmic stuff. I mean, maybe the algorithmic stuff is kind of converged only because we now have this basin of attraction where there's kernel optimizers and entire ecosystems around this. And like,
yes.
Maybe it's kind of converged. But the data thing is interesting, right? Because like there must be an insane amount of engineering. And with LLMs, it's a little bit like, what's the magic word? Like if you frame the question in the right way, it has that representational friction and it does interesting things. So I'm guessing Anthropic do a whole bunch of like, data curation and pruning. But another thing that Anthropic do is they have Claude Code, they have the ecosystem.